In this video, we are going to learn create a data validation using a macros code, or we can say a drop down for using a macros code. Now you can see I just took a small data set. I want to create here a drop down for electronics or for the products that shows the all product categories. Okay, so I created first code for go to developer tab, go to in a Visual Basics, or you can use a Alt F11 and go to Visual Basics. Then this window will open and then you can go where is your sheet is. Okay, so go to your this project area section and right click on that and insert a new module. So after you insert module, there will be a code editor is shown. Okay, so this is the code of your for the data validation. Now you can if you see like this is the lots of code, then no, because whenever you save it at a one time, you can use it again and again repetitively. You don't need to go with that your data validation drop down list, these things. Okay, so what is the first step is here DMWS as a worksheet, and then create step. Now there are different steps as set ws equal to this workbook dot worksheet like a data validation. If my name is like a data validation, so change if you have a different name as there. Now defining the range for a data validation like a product column. Okay, so which column you want to put it for your data validation. So as I name is a, it means the product. Okay, then for the data validation list, it is a as simple as you can see there is a just using a with, because with we are using for minimize your code. Okay, if you have again and again like selecting a range dot font then dot bold or a dot okay, so these left side of part is the same at for the repetitive like 4 to 10 times, so you can just use a dot and use it with the data validation range here. Okay, so now you can see there is a like let me check first. So there is for the all, like if you want a sale drop down, yes. If you want a sale drop down, yeah, you can using because the sale drop down. So you can mention is that true. If you want input title, yeah, select product. I want input title as a select product. Now error title, yes. If I select the any or enter anything that invalid entry, you can put as input message as well. Choose product from the drop down list from this. Okay, so this is all. You are just writing a name with the equals to with the string always comes in the double quotation. Now the data validation list I want to save as in the product column electronics, clothing, and home decor and furniture. Okay, and now last row from this is you now understand how we can declaring the each and everything. Okay, as the input message, as the input everything for the message, for the title, and now there is a add also here is something. Yeah, this is the range of here where is you have a data for A2 to like A2 to A. Okay, so let's after you run this code, you can see it's a create your drop down because I choose, yeah, I choose, you can see the select product, choose a product from the drop down. Okay, so you can yeah, you can see now drop down is created here as per your category. You can choose from here and as per the product that sorted out. Okay, so this is a very easy and always use whenever you have a repetitive task to creating a drop down for data validation, use this one. Or you can perform also like if you have in the other sheet the data and just go to create your drop down and then you can assign your macros there. Okay, so this is all about drop down for your macros.